Hello students, today's topic is random variables. For a given sample space S of some experiment, a random variable is any rule that associates a number with each outcome in that sample space. In mathematical language, a random variable is a function whose domain is the sample space and whose range is the set of real numbers. Random variables are denoted by uppercase letters and its values are denoted by lowercase letters. The notation, this one, means that x is the value associated with the outcome S by the random variable x. Suppose two coins are tossed, the outcomes of an experiment will be heads heads, heads tail, tail heads or tail tail. Let x be a random variable which denotes the number of heads. So the outcomes are HH, HT, TH and TT. Values of x. Since x denotes the number of heads, so in this outcome the number of heads are 2. In this outcome the number of heads is 1. Again 1, and the last one is tail tail. That means the number of heads will be 0. These outcomes denote domain and the values of x denote range. Next we will talk about types of random variables. First one is discrete random variable. A discrete random variable is a random variable whose possible values either constitute a finite set or else can be listed in an infinite sequence in which there is a first element, second element and so on, basically countably infinite. And the next one is continuous random variable. A random variable is continuous if both of the following apply. First one is, its set of possible values consists of either of all numbers in a single interval on the number line, possibly infinite in extent, example minus infinity to infinity, or all numbers in a disjoint union of such intervals, example 0 to 10 union 20 to 30. And the second one is, no possible value of the variable has positive probability, that is px equals to c equals to 0 for any possible value c. So let's say we have been given an interval 0 to 10, then probability of any particular value that lies within this interval, let's say px equal to 9, its probability will be equals to 0, or I can say that probability of x equals to 5, it will also be equal to 0. Okay, thank you.